Welcome to today's class. My name is Vicaro, and today I'm going to show you how to dodge a burn. Okay, let's be specific. How to burn. Yeah, how to just burn your image, object. It does not entail only pictures. You can burn any object. You can burn furniture. You can burn design. You can burn pictures, but most people are familiar with dodge and burn in Adobe, of which is for beauty retouch. So let's go there. Okay, as you can see, this man, you can see between the eyes, they are dark. The eyes are dark. Then the neck is dark as well. Okay, let me just remove everything. This picture we are going to burn it, and it's very simple. As you follow along, okay, you can see the process. I've done it before, but I just want to let you know the process, which is not that difficult. Let me just show you first. You can see the shirt. The shirt, I burnt it. Okay, let me delete. Shift, drop, delete. You can see that the shirt is a little bit white, blown out. Okay. All I just have to do is come to your Arrow Beauty Retouch Academy and enter Bone. As you can see, the bulb layer is pumped out. You go to your brush, select a brush, brush 2, and flow. Your capacity can be 100. Your flow can be 100. But just play with what work for you. Huh? Okay, let's go there. Then your hardness must be 0%. Then your edge, this is your, can they flow on the edge, soft edge. If you want soft edge, you come here, you pick your own, anyone you want for the specific style you are going for the picture. Then you come to your object. Now start my own journey. Sit down tight and let me just show you the shirt. Now I don't want the shirt to be dark. To me it's blown out. You we're almost there. See, I didn't touch this dark side. It's already dark already. Leave this side that's really dark. So go to the side that is a little bit blown out. Know that picture is not manageable. So no, this is not, it's just a sample. So just doing it so that your time won't waste much of your time. See here, this and this now becoming a little bit like, reduce the brush. you can still see this place still blown out. Okay, let me come to the pens. See, I'm not touching here. Because here is okay. So I will touch from here. I'm not satisfied with what you did here. All you just need to do is to go back again, burn, go to the side that is a little bit too bright in your eye. You can just touch this place. You can see, the first layer, the first is this. You can see the first one. This is the second bond. Come these details from here, blah. Okay. All you just need to do, you can group the two, shift plus G to group it, control plus G to group it, so you can come. So now the flow, if I want to reduce the flow of what can be reduced through here, the opacity can be reduced. Now more, the two opacity is reducing, so I can come here, right click, come to layer mask, the flow, so I can reduce it to blend. Any percentage that work for you, or fade it with any percent you feel works for you best. See, I wanted it, you can see it. That's how we do it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Those are the fuel that keep us creating. If I come your way again, remember, I love you personally from Fikar. Thank you.